is news from Reuters via MSN.com. US dollar stumble after non-farm payrolls data. I don't know what this means. But why is euro is a symbol here? Oh, New York Reuters, the US dollar dropped to multi-month low against the euro and yen on Friday after data showed the world's largest economy created fewer jobs that expected last month, suggested that the Federal Reserve remained track to cut interest rate multiple times this year. This is from Reuters. Guys, bumaba talaga, no? Ngayon 57, bumaba na nga ngayon guys ang dollar, 57.45 na guys from MSN.com. Bumaba ang dollars guys, but why they put euro against dollar against euro? Bumaba ang dollar guys as of this month, as of March. Okay, thank you for watching.